Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove BMW X1 door handle, only way. Start by lowering the window and disconnecting the negative battery cable to avoid shorting. Pry off the interior trim with a plastic tool and remove visible screws with a Torx bit. Carefully unclip the door panel from the bottom edge and lift up to clear the lock rod, then set the panel aside on a soft surface. With the panel off, focus on exposing the handle fasteners and linkages so you can remove parts safely. Peel back the moisture barrier and clear foam to access the handle bolts, then hold the handle to prevent it from dropping. Detach the lock rod clip with pliers and slide the rod free, being mindful of orientation for reassembly. Keep bolts in order so replacements are straightforward. If you are finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY help. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great, and it pairs nicely with a tidy door job for a satisfying finish. I mention it just as a friendly tip and to share a useful product idea. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After unbolting, pull the handle assembly outward from the door and feed the lock rod through the opening carefully. Check the actuator and latch for corrosion or broken teeth and replace faulty parts as needed. Reinstall the handle in reverse order, reconnecting rods and electrical connectors, then torque fasteners to factory feel. Operate the handle and lock several times to confirm smooth operation before reassembling the trim and sealing the moisture barrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.